So your income is taxed, and the things you buy with that already taxed income are taxed again. Income earned from your labor can be taxed up to 30%, while profits from your money are often taxed at significantly lower rates. So this isn't about blaming individuals, it's about understanding why the system is structured this way. Hello Nomads. Every single month, does it feel like your hard-earned money just vanishes? It's like your wallet is a revolving door for the government. But here's the burning question that haunts millions. Why does it feel like the honest, hard-working Indian middle class is carrying the lion's share of the burden, while headlines often hint at corporations and billionaires navigating to a different tax universe? Today we are diving into the uncomfortable truth of India's tax system. We are going to expose the facts, dissect the mechanisms, and understand why you feel like the system is working against you. This isn't just a video, it's a call for understanding. Let's decode this. Let's start with your salary. For most middle class individuals, your income is straightforward, and so is the taxation. India operates on a progressive tax system with different tax slabs. Whether you choose the old regime with its deductions or the new regime with simpler and low rates, one thing is constant. Your employer deducts tax at source. That is your TDS. It's gone before you see the full amount, and there is no escaping from this direct hit. But the tax story doesn't end here. After TDS, you are left with the net income. What happens next? You live your life, and every single purchase adds another layer of taxation, GST. From the detergent you buy to the mobile phone you use, from the new scooter to even many processed foods, you are paying GST. So your income is taxed, and the things you buy with that already taxed income are taxed again. This is double taxation, which many Indians feel acutely. This isn't a theory, it's a daily financial reality for millions of us, and this has been reported by media outlets when discussing the middle class burden. Now let's pivot to a different reality. You have heard the common sentiment, businesses don't pay taxes. While it's an oversimplification, it stems from the very real difference in how the income is treated. It's not about illegal taxation, it's about sophisticated, completely legal tax avoidance. A business, whether it is a large corporation or a sole proprietorship, doesn't pay tax on its total revenue. It pays tax on its net profit, that is revenue minus all the allowable expenses. And the Income Tax Act allows for a vast array of these allowable expenses. A business can deduct the cost of employee salaries, office rent, even the fees paid to the chartered accountant whose job is to find strategically more legal ways to reduce their taxable income. For you, your personal expenses are just expenses. For businesses, they are tax reducing deductions. But perhaps the biggest game changer is how different types of incomes are taxed. For the wealthy, significant portion of their earnings comes not from salary but from the capital gains, profits from selling assets like shares, mutual funds, or even real estate. Do you see the crucial difference? Income earned from your labor can be taxed up to 30%, while profits from your money are often taxed at significantly lower rates. This fundamental disparity is the major reason for the perceived gap. So this isn't about blaming individuals, it's about understanding why the system is structured this way. It's a complex interplay of economic philosophy, historical decisions, and significant influence. The argument often put forth is that lower tax rates for businesses and investments incentivize growth, stimulate the economy, and create jobs. This is a core tenet of certain economic theories. However, the critical debate is whether it truly benefits everyone equally or if it creates a widening chasm. Furthermore, the sheer complexity of the Income Tax Act, with its numerous sections, exemptions, and deductions, often benefits those with resources to hire experts. It's like this massive maze where seasoned navigators can find the shortest paths while the average person follows the paved road. This isn't unique to India, but the feeling is acute here while discussing the direct versus indirect tax burdens. The reliance on indirect taxes like GST, which hit everyone regardless of their income, means that even the lowest earners contribute significantly to the national exchequer. So the feeling isn't wrong. The Indian middle class does experience a significant and often dual tax burden. This isn't about finger pointing, it's about transparency and understanding the system that we operate within. But understanding is just the first step. What's your experience? Your voice matters. By liking this video, sharing it with everyone you know, commenting with your insights, and subscribing to the channel, you help us push this crucial conversation forward. Let's make sure our collective voice is heard. Until I see you with another video or a report, this is Sam signing off.